We are going to talk now about the highlighters in combination with a couple of other tools like the collector and also the vocabulary list. These tools in combination will allow students to create vocabulary lists of themselves. Teachers can use it also to do the same for the planning of lessons. For example, let's say that a student doesn't understand the word consensus. That's one of the words they want to study in the vocabulary. I'm going to highlight it yellow. Let's say that another word is the word climate. Also the word greenhouse. The word nitrous oxide. The word precede. And a chemical compound, CO2, for example. If the student, after highlighting the words in the text, clicks on the vocabulary list, what the extension will do is to extract those words, and in combination with the dictionary and other tools, including the picture dictionary, it will create a document that contains those words with their meaning, their definitions on the second column, and symbols and pictures to represent them to provide students a guide of context. Many teachers use the last column for students to write sentences using the words in context. That way they get to practice using the words in the vocabulary list. If I highlight the complete text and use the brush, it will erase the markings on the page. I can do other markings if needed. The highlighters are very useful also for supporting student writing in content. Let's say that a student is trying to write a piece of argumentative writing and comparing two different arguments around the idea of climate change. Let's say that this bolded text represents a statement supporting that climate change is caused by humans, while others represent the counter argument for that. I can see clearly that in this one is for climate change being caused by humans. So I'm going to highlight that in green. I see also that this one is in support. I'm going to do it the same color. I see that this one here is against, is an argument for denying that humans cause global warming. I'm going to do that one in blue. Also this one here combines with it, supports the idea that humans do not have anything to do with global warming. This one here is in favor, so I'm going to go back to my original color of that green there. And I think that this one is against. So I'm going to go back to the blue. Now I have highlighted my text. Using now the collector tool, I'm being asked what colors I want to gather, and the extension is going to create a new document with all my highlights separated. in support of the argument or a counter argument. Very useful for students that are writing those argumentative pieces to have all their quotes in one place, extracted by the tool as they are reading, and try to comprehend each side of the argument.